In this chat, I'm breaking down what's really going on when you're grinding hard door knocking for roofing contracts but still coming up empty-handed, and how to flip that script fast. So look, if you've been busting your butt knocking for days on end and only scoring free inspections with no contracts signed, you gotta step back and rethink your whole approach. First off, don't just show up hoping to wing it. Do some homework on the neighborhood so you know who you're talking to. Are they middle class or wealthy? That changes how you pitch your service big time. Next, switch up your conversation style. Nobody wants a pushy salesman, so keep it chill, honest, and helpful instead of just spitting out numbers or jargon. Try leading with a solid quote in hand. People love seeing real numbers up front. It builds trust. If you can eyeball a roof and know if it needs replacement, use that skill to make your pitch way more credible. Also, don't freak out over rejection because that's part of the game. After a no, move on, but always ask what held them back. And hey, track your leads carefully so you can spot patterns over time and tweak your strategy accordingly. Consistency is clutch, but smart consistency beats just pure grind every time. One of the biggest mistakes I see roofing pros make is not tailoring their pitch to the homeowner's situation or neighborhood income level, which makes the offer feel out of touch or too expensive for them. Another common issue is coming off too salesy. People can spot a hard sell a mile away and shut down. The last big problem is going door to door without a clear plan or quote ready, which wastes time and leaves homeowners skeptical. To fix these, always prep a customized quote before knocking. Keep your tone friendly and helpful, and do some research on the local market so you speak their language. Also, ask good questions during chats to understand their needs better instead of just pushing inspections or services. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid resource if you want to connect with homeowners who are already looking for contractors like you. It helps homeowners find trusted local pros without the awkward door-knocking grind, and for contractors, it's a way to get quality leads without burning out. Definitely worth checking out if you want to work smarter, not harder.